Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to update TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now you have to update this TikTok app. Now go to your phone Play Store, click on it, and then right here TikTok update. You will see if your TikTok is not being updated, then you will have to see here instead of open there is update. My TikTok is updated, that's why there is option appearing here is open. If your TikTok is not updated, then click on there here. There will be written update instead of open and click on that. Your TikTok will be updated. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.